Trying to find the best power tool combo kit, but drowning in options? Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, the right kit can save you hundreds of dollars and hours of frustration. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 power tool combo kits, covering value, battery life, tool count, and who each one is actually built for. Let's get into it. Number 1. DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. The DeWalt DCK240C2 is the classic starter combo that still holds. It comes with a DCD 771 drill driver and a DCF 885 impact driver, two tools you'll reach for on almost every job. Both run on DeWalt's reliable 20-volt max platform, and you get two 1.3 ampere-hour batteries, plus a charger and a carry bag. At this price point, you're getting proven DeWalt quality without breaking the bank. The half-inch chuck handles most drilling tasks with ease, and the compact design makes it great in tight spaces. Overall, this is a solid starter pick for DIYers and light pros alike. Number 2. DeWalt DCK 277D2 Brushless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. If you want to step things up, the DeWalt DCK 277D2 brings brushless motors to the table, and that's a game changer. Running on the 20-volt Max XR platform, you get noticeably longer runtime and more power on demanding tasks. Both the drill and impact driver are brushless, which also means less heat and longer tool life. This kit is built for professionals and serious remodelers who need all-day performance. Two lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a carry bag round out the package nicely. If you can stretch the budget, this brushless upgrade is absolutely worth it. Number 3. Craftsman V27 Tool Power Tool Combo Kit. Now we're talking serious value. The Craftsman CMCK 700D2 packs 7 tools into one kit on the V20 platform. You get a drill and driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder, and a LED work light. That's basically a full workshop in a box, and it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. For someone building out their first real tool collection, this kit is hard to beat. The V20 battery platform means you can expand your collection later with compatible tools. If you want the most tools for your money, this is the one to grab. Number 4. ThatTool 139-piece tool set with cordless drill. The ThatTool 139-piece tool set is a little different from the rest. It combines a cordless drill with a massive collection of hand tools. You get bits, sockets, fasteners, and drill accessories, all packed into a portable toolbox case. It's the kind of kit that covers most home repair needs right out of the box. This is a great pick for beginners and new homeowners who don't have a single tool to their name yet. Instead of buying everything separately, you get a complete starter set in one purchase. Simple, practical, and very beginner-friendly. Number 5. KingTool 276-piece tool set kit. The KingTool 276-piece tool set is one of the most comprehensive hand tool kits on this list. With 276 pieces covering a huge range of home maintenance and repair tasks, you'll rarely find yourself without the right tool. Everything is neatly organized in a carry case for easy storage and transport. This kit is best for homeowners who want the peace of mind of having every wrench, screwdriver, and socket they'll ever need. There's no power tool here, but the sheer variety of hand tools is impressive. A great all-in-one solution for everyday home repairs. Coming in at number 6. The Ryobi P1819 is one of the most popular DIY combo kits out there, and for good reason. It includes a drill and driver, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, and work light, all running on Ryobi's massive 1+18-volt platform. Batteries and charger are included, and the 1+ system is compatible with hundreds of other tools. If you're building a long-term tool collection, Ryobi 1+ is one of the smartest ecosystems to invest in. The 6-tool lineup covers cutting, drilling, fastening, and lighting, basically everything a DIYer needs. A fantastic value for home projects and weekend jobs. Number 7. Black Decker 4-Tool Combo Kit. For anyone who wants to keep things simple and affordable, the Black Decker delivers the essentials without the extra cost. The 4-tool lineup includes a drill and driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, and work light, all on the 20-volt max platform. One battery and charger are included to get you started right away. This kit is purpose-built for light home DIY projects like hanging shelves, light demo work, and basic repairs. Black Decker is reliable for casual use, and the compact tools are easy to handle. A solid budget-friendly pick for occasional home use. Number 8. Greenworks 24-Volt Combo Kit. The Greenworks 24-Volt Combo Kit stands out with its higher voltage platform, giving you more torque and power across all the included tools. Most configurations include a drill, impact driver, circular saw, multi-tool, and flashlight, a well-rounded lineup for renovation work. Batteries and charger come included, so you're ready to go from day one. The 24-volt system is a step above the typical 18-volt or 20-volt kits and makes a real difference on tougher materials. This kit is especially well-suited for renovation and remodeling projects where power matters. A strong choice if you want a bit more muscle in your tools. Number 9. Porter Cable PCCK6 118 8-Tool Combo Kit. If you want maximum tool variety, the Porter Cable PCCK 6118 is hard to top. It includes 8 tools in one package. You get a drill and driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder, jigsaw, and a flashlight, all on the 20-volt max platform. Batteries and charger are included, making this a true all-in-one workshop bundle. Whether you're doing construction, trim work, or general repairs, there's a tool in this kit for every task. The jigsaw is a particularly nice addition you don't see in many combo kits. For workshop users and contractors who want variety, this is an outstanding deal. Rounding out our list, the Tino Brushless Power Tool Combo Kit brings brushless motor technology to budget-conscious buyers. For the price, getting brushless tools is genuinely impressive. Brushless motors run cooler, last longer, and deliver better efficiency than brushed alternatives. Batteries, charger, and a storage case are all included. This kit is ideal for budget buyers who still want quality motor technology without spending a fortune. It won't compete with DeWalt or Craftsman on build quality, but for light to medium DIY work, it gets the job done. A surprisingly capable value package for the price-conscious shopper. So those are our top 10 best power tool combo kits for 2026. If I had to pick 2 standouts, the Craftsman CMCK 700D2 wins on pure value, and the DeWalt DCK 277D2 is the go-to for professionals. Check the links in the description below for the best current prices. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. Which kit caught your eye? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. See you in the next one.